Decentralized Social Media Platforms. A comprehensive overview. Chapter 1 Introduction. Decentralized social media platforms represent a paradigm shift in how we interact online. Unlike traditional social media networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, which are controlled by single, centralized entities, decentralized platforms distribute control across multiple nodes or servers. This structure offers numerous benefits, including enhanced privacy, greater user autonomy, resistance to censorship, and the potential for new economic models. However, it also presents challenges like scaling, user adoption, and governance. This report delves into decentralized social media platforms architecture, benefits, challenges, and prospects. Chapter 2 Understanding Decentralization in Social Media. At its core, decentralization in social media means that no single entity has control over the entire network. Instead, the network is composed of multiple nodes, or servers, often run by independent operators, that collectively maintain the network. Users can choose which node to join or even set up their own, giving them control over their data and how they interact with the network. Key characteristics. 1. Distributed architecture. Decentralized platforms operate on a distributed network, where data and control are spread across multiple servers. This architecture reduces the risk of data breaches and ensures that no single point of failure can bring down the entire network. 2. User autonomy. Users retain control over their data, accounts, and interactions. They are not at the mercy of a central authority that can unilaterally change policies, shut down accounts, or manipulate content visibility. 3. Censorship resistance. Due to the lack of a central authority, decentralized platforms are more resistant to censorship. Content can be more freely shared, without fear of being arbitrarily removed or suppressed. 4. Open source and interoperability. Many decentralized platforms are open source, allowing anyone to contribute to their development. They often support interoperability, meaning different platforms can communicate and share data, fostering a more connected and versatile online ecosystem. Chapter 3 Prominent decentralized social media platforms. 1. Mastodon. Mastodon is one of the most well-known decentralized social media platforms. It operates as a federated network, meaning that it consists of many independently run servers, or instances that communicate with each other. Users can join any instance, and each instance has its own community, rules, and moderation policies. Mastodon's structure allows for diverse communities, while maintaining connectivity across the entire network. 2. Diaspora. Diaspora was one of the first decentralized social networks to gain attention. It is organized into independently hosted nodes called pods. Users can choose which pod to join or create their own, giving them control over their data. Diaspora emphasizes privacy and freedom from corporate surveillance, aligning with its mission of user empowerment. 3. PeerTube. PeerTube is a decentralized video hosting platform that serves as an alternative to YouTube. It uses peer-to-peer technology to distribute videos across multiple servers, reducing the reliance on any single entity. PeerTube allows users to host their own videos or join instances hosted by others, offering greater control over content distribution. 4. Steemit. Steemit is a blockchain-based social media platform where users are rewarded with cryptocurrency for creating and curating content. This economic model incentivizes quality contributions and offers a decentralized alternative to traditional ad-based revenue models. 5. Minds. Minds is another blockchain-based platform that focuses on privacy and user autonomy. Users earn tokens for their engagement, which can be used to promote content or support other users. Minds emphasizes free speech and resistance to censorship. Chapter 4 Benefits of Decentralized Social Media. 1. Enhanced privacy. Decentralized platforms give users control over their data, reducing the risk of corporate surveillance and data breaches. Since data is not stored in a central repository, it is less vulnerable to hacks or unauthorized access. 2. Freedom from censorship. The absence of a central authority means that content is less likely to be arbitrarily removed or suppressed. This makes decentralized platforms attractive to users who value free speech and want to avoid the content moderation policies of centralized platforms. 3. User control and ownership. Users have more control over their online identities, including the ability to move their accounts between servers or run their own. This autonomy contrasts with centralized platforms, where users are subject to the platform's policies and potential changes. 4. Economic incentives. Blockchain-based platforms like Steemit and Minds introduce new economic models, where users can earn cryptocurrency for their contributions. This model can democratize monetization, allowing more users to benefit financially from their content. Chapter 5. Challenges and limitations. 1. Scalability. Decentralized platforms often struggle with scalability, as the distributed nature of the network can lead to slower performance and increased complexity. Handling millions of users without a centralized infrastructure is a significant technical challenge. 2. User experience. The user experience on decentralized platforms can be less polished compared to their centralized counterparts. Setting up accounts, choosing servers, and managing data can be more complex, which may deter less tech-savvy users. 3. Moderation and governance. Without a central authority, decentralized platforms face challenges in content moderation and governance. Each node or server may have its own rules, leading to inconsistency and potential conflicts between communities. 4. Adoption. Despite their advantages, decentralized platforms struggle to attract mainstream users who are accustomed to the convenience and familiarity of centralized platforms. User education and outreach are crucial for broader adoption. Chapter 6. The future of decentralized social media. The future of decentralized social media is promising but uncertain, as concerns over privacy, data ownership, and censorship continue to grow. Decentralized platforms offer a compelling alternative to traditional social media. However, they must overcome significant challenges in scalability, user experience, and governance to achieve widespread adoption. Technological advancements, particularly in blockchain and peer-to-peer networking, may help address these challenges. Additionally, as more users become aware of the benefits of decentralization, there could be a shift towards platforms that prioritize user autonomy and privacy. The success of decentralized social media will likely depend on its ability to innovate and provide a user-friendly, scalable alternative to the centralized giants that currently dominate the online landscape. Chapter 7. Conclusion. Decentralized social media platforms represent a transformative approach to online interaction, offering greater privacy, autonomy, and resistance to censorship. While they face significant challenges, their potential to empower users and create a more equitable digital ecosystem makes them a crucial development in the evolution of social media. As technology and user awareness evolve, decentralized platforms may play an increasingly important role in the future of online communication.